Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore the client section in Travel Boost. This is where all your confirmed customers are stored. Once a lead reaches the one stage in the lead section, it is automatically converted into a client. So this is also where the customer's booking journey continues, from managing trips and payments to storing documents and tracking their complete travel history. Before we begin, let's quickly understand how a lead becomes a client. So, in the lead section, every inquiry moves through the sales stages. So, new contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, won, and loss. So once you move a lead to the one stage, the lead is automatically converted into a client. So this is usually the point where the customer confirms the booking and starts making payments. From here, all future bookings, invoices, payments, and travel records are managed inside the client section. All right. So Travel Boost also allows you to categorize your customers using different client tiers. The first one is standard, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and the VIP. So VIP is your most valuable clients who receive premium service, personalized attention, and exclusive offers. And one of the great features in this one is that um, these loyalty tiers are fully customizable. All right, you can create your own membership levels and define the minimum revenue requirements for each tier. You can have that in the settings section through loyalty. All right, so you can decide how much a customer needs to spend before they are upgraded from standard up to bronze, or bronze to silver, or gold to platinum, and so on. All right, so this flexibility allows your agency to build a loyalty program that aligns with your business goals and reward customer based on their total spending and long-term value. So using this client tiers is help your team quickly identify customers value, deliver personalized service, offers exclusive rewards, and strengthen long-term customer relationships. So um by the way, let's open a client profile. So by the way, at the top, you'll immediately see the customer basic information. So wait, let's open this. So there is a basic information including their name, email address, number, phone number, and the customer tier. All right. You'll also see the several important customer statistic, including total revenue that generated by this client, total trips booked, customer satisfaction rating, of course, number of companions, and the referral information. All right. So these metrics give your team a quick overview of the customer's relationship with your agency. All right. And then, by the way, one of the most useful features is that the copy client portal link button here. So simply click this button to generate a secure portal link that you can send directly to your customer. So let's open it. So I'm gonna paste it, and then so through the client portal, customers can conveniently access their own travel information, including trip history, travel proposals as well, invoices as well. All right. And then payment records, travel documents, booking updates. So this gives clients a self-service experience while reducing the needs to request the information from your staff. But let's look for a different client to see. Let's try this one. Then let's copy and then paste and then press enter. So you'll see here Yasmin Bensalem. So you'll see her bookings, of course, invoices, proposals, document. All right. Hang on. Let's go back in here. So let's go back to client. So by default, you'll see on the overview tab. So hang on. Here. Yep, this one. Um, you'll see the overview tab. So this section displays the customer personal information, including full name, email, address, phone number, WhatsApp, nationality, date of birth, gender, and then language. All right. You'll also find travel document information such as passport details and other important customers record. Okay. Next tab is trips. So the trip tab displays every trip the customer has booked with your agency. This allows your team to easily review previews, current and upcoming travel arrangement in one place. So next one is the proposal tab contains all the travel quotations and itineraries that have been prepared for the customers, okay? This makes it easy to review previous proposal or send them whenever needed. The next one is the invoices here. So the invoices tab stores all the invoices generated for a client. Your team can quickly monitor outstanding balances, which is great. Completed invoices and payment status here. And the next tab is the reviews tab. Displays your customer feedback and satisfaction rating. This review help measure service quality and identify opportunities to improve the customer's experience. You can also add review in here. Of course, feedback, click submit. Okay? So, next one is the companion. So, if the customer is traveling with family members, friends, or colleagues, you can manage all accompanying travelers in the companion tab. This keeps all the traveler information organized under one client profile. Add link companion, of course, name, and then relationship. All right. The next tab is the payments. So this one allows you to monitor every payment made by the customers. Here you can track the deposit, partial payments, remaining balances, completed payments. So this provides your finance and sales team with a clear view of the customer's payment history. And the last tab here, we have documents. So this one securely stores the important customer files such as, of course, passport copies, visa documents, identification cards, travel insurance, any additional travel requirements, and then keeping everything in one place like make document management much easier throughout the booking process, right? So by the way, if the customer's information changes, simply click this edit button to update their profile. You can also remove a client using delete button if necessary. You can edit individual and then you can edit the information, okay? And the next one is that by clicking this blue button here, add client, you will create add client, so new client. So if it's individual, personal traveler, if it's corporate, company, business to business, of course, their contact information, you're gonna input that. For the company, if it's company, and an individual, of course, the passport, date of birth, email, phone, WhatsApp, nationality, passport expiry, which is very important, and of course, the address. All right. Can also import clients, by the way. Okay, this one. Upload, mapping, review, and then finish. And then in this client section overview, of course, you see all the client, the location, rather, tier, of course, the revenue, trips, and their satisfaction rating. You can also search a specific client through keyword or by their name. Okay, and then that's how the client section works in Travel Boost. So once a lead reaches the one stage, it automatically becomes a client, allowing you to manage the customer's complete travel journey from one centralized profile. So from tracking revenue, trips, payments, and documents to assigning client tiers and sharing the client portal for self-service access, which is really great. The client section gives you everything you need to build a long-term customer relationship and deliver an exceptional travel experience. All right? Thank you.